To open the case, you must release each of the 5 latches. To do this, press the button in the center of each latch while lifting up on it. When done, simply lift up on the lid. Inside the case, you'll find a router, a teacher tablet, 10 student devices, a multi-port charger, 1 tablet charger, and 1 router cord. To charge the kit, start by finding the tablet charger. Plug the appropriate end into the USB port of the tablet and the other end into a power source. Next, locate the multi-port charger for the student devices. Plug one end of this into the power source and one of each of the 10 USBs into one of the USB ports on each of the 10 student devices. To prepare the router, all you need to do is connect it to power. To do this, find the power cord for the router and plug one end into the back of the router and the other end into a power source. To turn on the teacher tablet, simply find the power button on the side and hold it for a few seconds. To turn on each of the 10 student devices, you must first open the VR viewer. To do this, simply press the button on the top of the VR viewer. Once this is done, you can access the power button on the student device without removing it from the viewer. Just press the button for a few seconds to turn on the student device. From the home screen, touch the Expedition app to start it. Next, touch Menu and ensure that the Downloaded Only switch is toggled. In the upper right-hand corner, you can see how many Explorers are currently connected. Do not start the Expedition until all 10 Explorers have connected. From the home screen of each of the student devices, simply touch the Expedition app. A screen will appear telling you to close the VR viewer. Once you do this, a Ready screen will appear. Scroll down and find the expedition you would like to do. To start this expedition, simply touch it. Touch the Start arrow. Students can now see a VR picture of what you are seeing. These little smiley faces represent where students are currently looking. Expanding the orange bar will give you access to information you can share with students, as well as targets. Touching one of these targets will direct students to look at the given object. When you are done with a given image, swipe to see other images you can view in this expedition. Touch play to begin viewing this new image. To end an expedition, touch pause and then touch the X in the top left-hand corner. You can now begin a new expedition.